All right, here we go, folks. We are at 94 angstroms. We got quite a bit going on the sun. Hopefully this thing will catch up with it. Oh no, don't do that. Don't catch up to it. I don't want it to catch up. There's two pops. We got the one that, of course, we know of. Then we had another one towards the end of the day come off here. But also keep your eyes down here. These two actually start interacting together, and you can see the bands of connectivity, and they're very strong. And right at the end of the film, you'll see this one like starting to light up like this bugger right as it's about to pop off. So we're right towards the end of it. So you'll see this one pop off here. Oh, boom. Well, actually, that one I guess already did. So there's that one, and then, yeah. See the connectivity? Let's take a look at another version of light. And now this one doesn't really show the wave so much from the the coronal mass ejection from these two. I mean, they're a little bit, but you're not going to see it really much on this one. But this one here's what I want you guys to look at. You see that connection? I'm going to hit play. It's only 16 seconds, but take a peek at this. You'll see a little bit from the coronal mass ejection from this one. It's like there's one, and then the next one next to it does a little one. But look at this thing interacting down here. This is not good. Ooh, that thing's just popping off there. But yeah, that's not good. Ooh, looks like we actually got one. We'll check it out in another color of light if we can. Shrink down. Get out of my face. All right. 193 angstroms actually shows very well for what we're looking for. All right. You'll actually be able to see the boof. See, boom. That was a good one. And then you'll see this one going off. But look at this down here. Woo! See, boom. Did you see that whole area? Yeah, that's a tsunami. Look at that. Whoa. Oh. Did you see that? I'm going to back this up just a little bit. Watch down here. She pops off right as it ends. Watch this. Watch down here. Oh, do you see it? You see it starting? Yeah. She's about, yeah. That thing will register in the morning by the time we wake up. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's sending it that way. Oh, this is getting exciting. Let's go to another angstrom here of some lightomolysis. Yeah, I talk like a weirdo sometimes. Oh yeah, you see the boom there, and then you'll see this one boom. But this is what I really want you to look at. That. See that? Woo! I'm actually gonna back this up here. There's something else I want you guys to take a peek at. Oh, where is it at? Oh, almost there. Oh, I got a praying mantis over here. Get away from me, dude. Seriously? Get up off me. I had a praying mantis climbing on me. Notice this right here? How this is like nice and round. Actually, I'll back this up all the way. And look at this down here. This is actually perfectly round. It's kind of interesting. Watch this. See that? Why is that perfectly round like that? It's looking kind of weird. But yeah, she's popping. I'm actually going to show you something in a different view of light, and you'll see more of what I'm talking about. Folks, we have other planetary objects out there, and I really want everybody to really grasp that, because it is a fact. There is way too much evidence that suggests that there is than there isn't. Woo! See, this one's really good for it. You know, watch this one. You'll see this one popping. Whoosh! It'll affect the whole surface. See that? Oh man, that's beautiful. Now, not a whole lot of that is actually coming at us, but there is stuff coming. I mean, this looks like a coronal hole, starting up. This is a coronal hole. We have some winds that are going to be affecting us. And then this bugger here. And what's really kind of weird is that this thing here, almost like a coronal hole, but at the same time, it's like it's forcing it away. Ooh, I don't know. Why would it do that? Now we'll go down to my favorite. We are at spaceweatherlive.com, by the way, in case anybody wasn't quite sure. And we'll come check out my favorite little buddy. Hopefully this one will actually show it. I might have to show it to you on one of the other sites that I use. But yeah, ooh, look at that, beautiful. And this one will go, boom. Oh, that one went. And this one will go. Oh, they stopped right before it did, those turds. Look at that perfectly round object, though. Oh, and look at here. Perfectly round object. There's one there. There's one there. Almost looks like there's one there, but I don't think so. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right. All right. Here we are. Oh, look at this. Another. That's 5 days in a row, folks. 5-0. Let's refresh it just to be sure and see what they're going to do. We'll refresh it all up there. All right. Because I have had these open for a little bit, and I've been getting a little ahead of it, so that way we can kind of get through this a little quicker, should I say. Here we've got some very interesting sunspots. This is definitely one. To me, this would be 2 right here, so that would be 3, really. That would be 4, 5, 6, but they're like, no, it's a group, so whatever. Either way, these buggers interacting, I don't like at all. So let's scroll on down here. Oh, look, just missing data right there. And we'll come on down here to this little bugger. Oh, they actually jacked it up. Now, we do have a little bit, but there's not a lot. I'll be honest with you. There's not really much in the way of radiation at all. It's, you know, very, very little. Let's see here. Just a little bit that lights up. So we're actually, for right now, see, just a little bit. We're actually pretty good. So, nothing to worry about there, folks. Okay, here we are at SDO, gsfc.nasa.gov. So you guys can always hit pause, hit a screenshot, whatever, so you guys can actually go right to where I'm at. You can actually choose what angstroms of light you want to see it at. Okay, you just come over here to settings, you tap settings, and or dashboard. You can choose whatever you want. These are the ones that I use the most. Because to me it reveals the most. So let's take a peek at this one. This one you'll actually be able to see those go off. Actually, I think we looked at this one earlier, didn't we? Yep. See, that one just blew up, and then this is going to go bleh. But I really liked seeing those connection lines. Golly, they're gorgeous. Woo! That'll put a little pucker in the old pooper. If it don't, there's something wrong for you. All these sunspots, they're starting to, boop, he threw up, and this one throws up, and then you start to see this one's starting to light up, going, oh boy. This one's actually, you see that one? This one's actually worrying me a little bit. It'll stop. Oh, it didn't actually stop. That one worries me a little bit. I'm not going to lie. That's a wide range to have those arcs connecting like that. At least in my opinion, I'm not too thrilled about it. So yeah, that one's pretty decent. Yeah, this one you can see really well. Oh man, woof. And then that one went woof. Now, I will tell you this. A lot of times, and some people don't know this, but these things are connected on the sun. This is all connected. When this thing actually popped on this one over here, you'll actually get to see it. When this thing actually popped and the wave went across the surface of the sun, it actually starts to affect this one. It'll affect all of them. Like this one is going off can make this one go off. Oh, look at this. Nice, perfectly round planetary object. Almost looks like the eye in Eye of Ra. Ooh, scary. Now watch. Whoosh, you see that? And this one starts to pick up a little bit more. Now, let's go check it out over here. Let's check this one, and then we'll come over here to my favorite. Boom, see that? That was a nice wave. In fact, that might have been what actually got this one started. Boom, and then, yeah, ooh. Ooh, very nice. Very ugly. All right. Let's go ahead and just start this one right here, full size. Let's let her rip, Teeter Chip. Oh, look at her. She's getting angry, getting grumpy. Boof. Yep. Next one. Boof. Oh, come on. Did it really not show it? They've also been cutting a lot of data. Woo! All right, we're getting close to the end. Watch this one get brighter, but also look here. See how round? Right around here? Look at that. What in the world? Perfectly round. And then up here, it gets perfectly around. Look at that. It's following the sun around. Do you see that? It's actually following it. Oh, dang it. Now watch again. Forget looking at the pops. I mean, it's beautiful, and this one does a great job. But look at this. It's coming around the sun with it. And this is, oh man, it almost looks like there's another one here. But let me show you some other some other stuff. All right, here we are at soho.nascom.nasa.gov. And you just put your dates in here for your calendar, C2, whichever one you want to look at. And you hit play. This is going to play super quick, so if unless I slow it down. But you'll see a whole bunch. I'll actually slow it down to about 5. And I'm going to show you on the next one. The next grouping, if you will. And you're going to see a whole bunch of ships. Huh? You see that? All right. Now this is what I'm going to stop it for. You see this right here? You see that? Yeah, that's a planet. Now it's going to look like it gets distorted and goes away, but I'm going to show you on another source called Cme'S. And it shows it in black and white and in this red color. I don't use it a whole lot, but I'll probably start using it just so you guys have something else to compare it to. It's pretty nice. Whoa, did you see that? You actually saw that one going doo-doo-doo-doo. You actually seen the path it was going. That's awesome. All right. She started over. Let's check C3. All right, here we go. Let's go C3. Oh, doing a little blank screen again. And again, once again, we'll see some action. You know, you'll definitely see some spacecraft, spaceships. You'll see my little buddies. But we're looking at this perspective to see if we're gonna actually see it popping off. Oop, here it comes. Of course, they blank that out, which is funny. Oh, and they blank. You guys see all the Memorex that they're doing? You can't really see it on this one. But I'm going to show you on a place called Cme'S, which will really show what we're trying to look at here. And it shows up way, way better. All right, I'll show you over there. Just for curiosity's sake, I decided to go through this one at a time before I took you guys over there. Here you go. Is that a comet? Hell no, that ain't. It's one of my little buddies. A body with wings and a tail. Huh? Go ahead. Go ahead. Someone say I'm full of it. Huh? How much more proof do you need? I mean, I showed you guys what it looked like. There it is. Well, before we even get there, I had to come back here. Look at this. 2024. Okay, that's basically 8:24 to 3 in the morning. That's a lot of data missing, folks. A lot. Okay, this here is spaceweather.gmu. This is Cme'S. It's the one I was telling you about earlier. It won't play the one on the 6th because it's not there yet. But let me show you here. This is really why I brought you over here to Cme'S. Look at that. See that? Perfectly round. Remember what I was showing you guys over at the other one that was round over here? Mm-hmm. Let me get you going next. Look at that. Still think I'm crazy? How would it be round, perfectly round, and on two different feeds of looking at it? How would that be possible? It's not. Oh, look at this. You can see it nice and clear here, and look. There's a great round dot. How lazy. Seriously, I mean, oh, they're not covering anything up. Yeah, they are literally covering it up. Let me show you on the other one. Here it is, stereo ahead. Here we go, folks. We don't have a lot of time, so keep your eyes open. Look at how this starts out. Starts off with it right there. See that? Perfectly round. Now, I'm going to hit play, and it'll, oh, all of a sudden it'll disappear. Why? Because there's time missing. You notice how it showed up on there, right? Certainly hope so. Certainly hope y'all are starting to pay attention. Now, if you notice that one that was up here and over here, it was kind of there, but they actually took great. Oh, did you see that? Blocking out. Oh, there it is, round. Look at that. Look at that. Well, why is that going backwards? Good question. I don't know. Next video, I'll have to play it forward. Gosh dang it.